My name is Prahashita, studying 8th class in KGBV Padmanabham, Visakhapatnam. Today I would like to tell about a new cancer drug. Cancer is a six-letter word that can scare even the bravest. Cancer has plagued humankind for centuries. The Egyptian mentioned the Greek named and US President Richard Nixon declared a war on it. It kills 10 million of people every year. As we have no cure, all we have chemotherapy, and even that is toxic, it leaves you weak and tired. Now a new drug has risen. Hope it's called Binotumumab. Just Bina is an immunotherapy. What makes it better than it is less toxic, less invasive, and you can take it home. But will this exclusive you to cancer? Our next reporter tells you.
Humankind makes a small source advances their space travel and artificial intelligence. They haven't found as it is one thing and new drug has a cure for cancer will be any better sparked how but the question and it is a trillion does question and it is a cancer because cancer cost of the world in 1.9 trillion every year. This is a disease that has hunted humankind for centuries. It was first described by the ancient Egyptians. The first man mentioned is in the Edwin Smith papyrus, so that's dating the back 1600 BC. The document mentions breast tumors being removed, but says there are no cure. Then we have Hippocrates, the father of medicine. He is believed to have given cancer. Its name came from the word kinos. Basically, it means organs. According to him, the tumors looked arba like it, so that's how it is go its name. But what exactly is cancer? Is not a single disease. In fact, it's an umbrella of diseases. Over 200 of them. It started in any part of the body. If happens when the wear changes its group from normal cells, this leads to uncontrolled growth. It's abnormal and forms a loop known as tumorous. This is true for all cancers except which is blood cancer. So cancer where it's different from every person, which is the why is so hard to find a cure and that makes them dead by cancer is the second leading cause. The death of globally 10 million people die every year from cancer and more than half all cancer cases are preventable.
So what are doing well? Humankind has poured billions into cancer research. The 1940s give us chemotherapy. It's used for toxic chemicals to kill cancer cells, but it often leaves patients weak at 80 years later. Chemo is still the first choice to treat cancer. Now a new drug has sparked excitement. It's called Blutab. It's an immunotherapy drug. It is said to be less toxic than chemotherapy. Basically, what is does it look for cancer? Cells that the way body for cancer recognize them and then destroy them. It's already licensed for adults to use and now it's being for kinds. In trials as different, Bina is more promising because unlike chemo it isn't painful. It comes in a liquid and is administered through the vein. And more importantly, it can be given at home, which means patients won't even have to go to hospital. Now Bina has shown success but isn't 100% foolproof. Which brings us back to the questions, why do we still have a cure? Keno came in the 1940s. US President Richard Nixon declared a war on cancer in 1917. Since then, there have the trials. Research billions of dollars have spent at no one cure is available, of course. We have more options. There cancer vaccines, immunotherapy, drugs, but the problem remains the same. How do you treat cancer without killing normal cells? It was big question back then. It was still big question and hopefully we will find an answer. Thank you.